In this video, we're going to be cleaning the bathroom as part of a full cleaning routine. Just going to gather our materials and go into the bathroom. And because bathrooms are full of bacteria, we usually start by putting on our gloves. And we're going to throw away any trash items that might be lying around, tissues, floss, wrappers, anything else that we can find. We start by wiping down the sink and the countertop. I don't recommend having a candle that's lit in the room when you're having your child clean the bathroom. We're throwing our wipes away after we use them. Then we like to wipe down the handle of the toilet and the seat and other surfaces. The last thing that we do in the bathroom is we're going to sweep up the floor, any mess that there may be. And then we're going to sweep that pile onto the dustpan. And throw it away. As always, we make sure to put our materials away when we finish the project. So we're going to put everything back in our cleaning caddy, and then we're going to put it into the closet where we found it.